Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chrysler Voyager LX. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.